Here we can see an inflexible generator is being dispatched on to meet the load in the middle of the night. Overnight, demand is typically at its lowest, so generators will offer at their minimum safe output. In the next RTD schedule, the inflexible generator is dispatched below its minimum safe output. The generation trader advises the system coordinator that they cannot meet their dispatch due to safety reasons, and claims a rule that exempts the generator from following the dispatch instruction. The system coordinator must assess whether to use discretion to dispatch the generator up to a minimum safe output or to dispatch it off. Consideration is given to whether the generator will be required to minimize the risk of future capacity shortfalls. As part of this, the coordinator will assess load and wind forecast variability, forecast island residual, and other risks such as another generator tripping. If the generator is dispatched off, it will be unavailable for a period of time. Without this generation available, there is a risk of an immediate reserve shortfall if there is no other generation available. If it's dispatched to minimum, it will be available when needed in the future. Now let's look at how applying discretion in this scenario impacts the market. Demand drops, and the RTD schedule now schedules G5, the inflexible generator, below its minimum. The generation trader claims a rule exemption due to generator safety, and the system coordinator decides whether to dispatch G5 up to minimum or off. When discretion is applied to dispatch the inflexible generator up to the minimum generation level, it moves to the bottom of the price stack. Because this scenario occurs in a low load period, the discretion is not likely to impact the marginal price. But because the inflexible generator is the risk setter, the cost of reserves increase, which results in an overall market cost increase. Because there's no marginal price difference, there are no constrained-on costs paid to the discretionary generator. Other generation will be dispatched down or off and will not be compensated,